Today, we're diving deep into Singorama, an online singing program that promises to help you learn how to sing. But can it really deliver? Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, this review will help you decide if Singorama is right for you. What Singorama offers. Singorama boasts a comprehensive curriculum with video and audio lessons, covering proper breathing techniques and vocal warm-ups to mastering pitch, control, and different singing styles, including bonus features like downloadable workbooks and software to help you track your progress. The pros of this program includes: Singorama does a great job of breaking down vocal techniques into manageable steps. There are plenty of exercises to target different aspects of your singing, keeping your practice sessions engaging. Beginner-friendly. Even if you've never sung a note in your life, Singorama can get you started on the right foot. The cons, however. Unlike live lessons with a vocal coach, Singorama can't provide personalized feedback on your singing. While technique is important, the program could benefit from including more performance tips and repertoire suggestions. Cost. Singorama is a one-time purchase, but it can be pricier than some subscription-based services. Singorama can definitely improve your singing, just put in consistent effort and supplementing it with other resources for a well-rounded learning experience. Find out more in the link at the comments or description below.